Okay, so Calendly is similar to Acuity, but actually more complicated because there's no brilliant code from a third party to help with attribution. So you have, when it comes to Calendly, the same challenges with iframes that you would have, even though this looks like it's on the website, because it's an iframe, the source data actually doesn't get transferred to the iframe. It's unfortunate, but it's how it works. It's the name of code. So, and I'm not an expert in it. I just know it doesn't work. Again, there's no real solution around it, even when you upgrade Calendly to include your Google Analytics, because that's designed for when you send traffic directly to a Calendly page. So you can do that. In fact, because I work so much with advertising, that's usually my recommendation, but sometimes the client doesn't like the user experience, and that's fine as long as everyone understands the pros and cons of both situations, an iframe versus sending them to the actual unique Calendly URL. You definitely still want to set up this documentation regardless, but I can tell you it doesn't actually work well, because I was just looking at it for Kids 360 and it actually gives an error. So if you look at the source for people who have scheduled, it does this UTM source not set, and I'm still working with my internal team on if this is fixable, because to me the reason it's doing it is because it's in an iframe. So even though it's in an iframe with the UTM set up, it's not transferring the code. So, which is unfortunate. It makes it super hard. One of my least favorite integrations to set up, because it makes my life as an advertiser very challenging to get proper attribution. Sometimes what we have to do is focus more on just raising the entire ship instead of focusing on specific tactics. Not helpful of a video, I know, but and I'm welcome for any feedback if anybody has a different solution.